Welcome to the Bradley Electric Grill's Smoker tutorial. Today, we'll show you how to set up, operate, and maintain this revolutionary cooking device. Start by unboxing your electric grill smoker. Carefully remove all components, including the racks, drip tray, and water tray. Set the grill on a firm base or table. Remove any protective packaging materials. Assemble the smoker by placing the cleaned racks, drip tray, and water tray back inside. Make sure everything is secure and in place. Before using the smoker for the first time, it's essential to season it. Wash the racks, drip tray, and water tray, and then fill the water tray with water. Plug in the smoker and turn it on using the main power switch located at the back. Let it run through the seasoning process, and once completed, discard the burnt bisquettes. Your smoker is now ready for use. To start cooking, fill the water tray with water again and place your food onto the cooking racks. Load the racks into the smoker and set the vent damper to your desired opening. Remember, do not close the damper fully when smoke is running. Turn on the smoker by pressing the power switch. Set your desired temperature and load the bisquettes for that perfect smoky flavor. For cold smoking, use the smoke option only. Open the damper fully and, if needed, place a metal tray with ice on the lower rack to maintain a temperature around 32 degrees Celsius or 90 degrees Fahrenheit. After each use, clean out any grease and dispose of the burnt bisquettes safely. Regular maintenance ensures your smoker lasts for years to come. Finally, store your smoker in a dry, covered place out of reach of children and always unplug it when not in use. And there you have it. With the Bradley Electric Grill Smoker, enjoy perfectly smoked dishes with ease. Happy smoking!